Dalawang dekada nang pinatunayan ng Suzuki Philippines na ang Raider 150 ang nag-iisang king of underbone. From 2004, nag-dominate na talaga ang Raider 150 sa kalsada ng Pilipinas at sa mga drag race. Pero this 2025, nilabas na ng Suzuki Philippines ang bagong design ng Raider 150 on its 5th generation na mas astig, mas maangas ang design at mas advanced ang features. Meet the Suzuki Raider 150 Blade Edition. SRP is at 130,000 pesos and Suzuki Raider 150 Pro, SRP is at 146,400. Iisang makina pero magkaiba ang features and performance. Isa sa mga pinagmamalaki ng Suzuki Raider 150 Blade Edition ay yung bagong features na Suzuki Clutch Assist System. Slipper clutch that reduces engine braking during downshift for smoother deceleration and control. At yung assist function para maging lighten yung clutch lever at mabawasan yung hand fatigue sa pag-clutch. Sunod na features ay yung Suzuki Advanced Twin Spar Frame. It balances rigidity, lighter weight, and stability na ginaya sa Suzuki GSX-R. Updated front suspension, smoother damping, better road contact, and greater stability. Naka-disc brake with dual piston caliper with 290mm large pedal disc brake at ang gulong na may sukat na 70 by 90 by 17 with aluminum 10-spoke wheels and tubeless tires. Astig naman ang bagong features ng Suzuki Raider 150 Pro. Meron itong front anti-lock braking system or ABS. Isa sa mga safety features ng mga motor ngayon na automatic nang nag-a-adjust sa braking system at traction sa mga sudden stops. Meron din itong keyless system with remote for anti-theft protection and convenience. Meron ding new LED headlights for brighter and clear visibility. Meron din itong charging port para sa mga gadgets and smartphones. Dinadag pa dito yung Suzuki Ride Connect. Pwedeng i-connect ang mga smartphone for added safety, convenience, and user experience. Kilala ang Suzuki Raider 150 na slim, aerodynamic design pero meron na siyang maliit na compartment. Pwedeng lagay ng wallet at iba pang mga small documents. Makikita mo rin sa Raider 150 Pro yung sleek design, race-inspired aerodynamic fins and plate-like winglets, enhancing both style and performance. Gas tank po nito nasa 4 liters. Braking system po nito sa likod, naka-disc brake with single piston caliper at may gulong na 80 by 90 by 17 with aluminum 10-spoke wheels and tubeless tires. Base sa specs ng Suzuki Philippines, same pa rin siya ng makina. 150cc, 4-stroke, 6-speed transmission, 4 valves, dual overhead cam, single cylinder, liquid cooled fuel injected with Suzuki Eco Performance. Mas pinalakas ang makina nito. Meron itong 18.1 horsepower at 10,000 RPM and 13.8 Nm of torque at 8,500 RPM. Bore and stroke of 62mm by 48.8mm which is short stroke. Ground clearance po nito nasa 150mm and seat height po nito ay nasa 765mm. Raider 150 Pro comes with 2 color options, metallic matte silver and tech yellow, and also candy matte red with titan black. Raider 150 Blue Edition comes with 3 color options, metallic blue with gray, pearl bright ivory with metallic matte gray, candy matte red with solid black, and metallic matte gray with solid black. Para sa ating overview, medyo naninibago pa ang ating Rat Nation sa bagong design ng Raider 150. Merong mga nagagandahan at meron namang nag-aalangan mas lalo na sa design ng Raider 150 Pro. Hindi mo alam kung pang high speed ba siya or nabawasan ang pagkamaangas niya. Para siyang naging neutral to the sense na complete features ako, pwede pang high speed and at the same time, pwede pang touring. Why not enjoy both? Kahit kilala siya as King of Underbone, andun pa rin yung humble appearance niya na may fuel consumption of 53.4 km per liter. Fuel injected, high speed settings, naka-ABS, may slipper clutch, pero ma-enjoy mo pa rin yung di ka masyadong magastos sa gas. Para sa mga interesado, please visit your nearest Suzuki branch para makilatis nyo at makapag-decide kung itong motor ay para sa'yo. Para sa mga updates ng ating motor review, please follow us on our Facebook page, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, and YouTube channel, BasseyBoys.ph. Please like and share ang ating mga motor reviews para mabigyan natin ng detalyado at kumpletong information ang ating mga moto viewers para makapili sila ng kanilang dream bike. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtangkilik at pagsuporta. Ride safe, Rat Nation!